If you want to actually take advantage of the barrel, we're going to show you some of the ins and outs on how to do that. So we've gotten our own beautiful Woodford Reserve Bootlegger's batch, and it is amazing, delicious. We make great old fashions out of it, great cocktails, and today we're actually going to be barrel aging an old fashioned with Woodford's barrel that they have been generous enough to hook us up with. So without further ado, let's go right into it. We are going to do, whoops, if I don't break anything, my goodness. We're going to jump in with 2 full liters of Woodford Reserve. And of course, we're going to do it with the Bootlegger's batch. Now this one's already had water in it. We cleaned it. We sanitized the inside. It is ready to go, ready to make our old fashioned. So for this next step, what we're going to do is we're actually going to blend some of our ingredients on the side. Now the reason we're doing this is because we want to ensure that our syrup and bourbon mix properly. So we're going to do about 18 ounces total of our Demerara syrup in here. So that was about 8 ounces there. I'm just going to add in some delicious bourbon. Give it a quick stir. If I don't spill any of it, my goodness. We try not to make messes as bartenders, but sometimes it just can't be helped. So rinse and repeat. And of course, you can't make an old fashioned without your bitters. We've got Reagan's Orange and Angostura Aromatic. So we're gonna do about 3 ounces of the Reagan's Orange. And of course, to make this process so much faster, because we don't wanna sit here and dash forever and ever. And we'll do about 2 ounces of our Angostura. Of course, still need more bourbon. Going a full 2 liters today. Again, right into the barrel. And we've still got a little bit of bourbon left to top it all off. Beautiful Woodford Bootlegger's batch in a Woodford barrel, made as a delicious old fashioned. Now we'll let this guy sit a little bit, let a lot of that oak and deliciousness absorb into the flavors, and it's gonna come out great, I'm sure. Thanks for joining us.